In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI to work faster. If you're already working inside Notion, there's a built-in assistant that can speed up research, content drafting, and learning how to do things right where you're working, so you don't have to switch tabs or lose your focus. To open it, go to your Notion workspace and look to the bottom right corner. Click the Notion icon there or use the keyboard shortcut, Control, and the instant you do this, a new AI chat opens. Think of it as a helpful partner that understands the context of what you're doing and can respond in plain language. There's nothing extra to install, and it appears right inside the app, ready to respond. From here, you can ask it to search, create, or guide you. Searching is great when you need to surface information quickly. You might ask it to find pages related to a project, pull out tasks that match a certain status, or highlight key points you've stored across your notes. Keep your requests specific, like mentioning page titles or keywords you care about, and the AI can narrow its focus so you spend less time digging. Creating is where Notion AI really speeds things up. You can ask it to draft a project brief, outline meeting notes, create a summary of a long page, or generate a starting checklist. Give it a clear goal, a tone you prefer, and any constraints, such as length or audience. If the first result isn't quite right, refine it by following up with edits, additions, or examples of the style you want. This is a back-and-forth process, and the AI will adjust quickly. Guidance is perfect when you want to learn how to do something in Notion. You can ask for step-by-step help setting up a database, creating a board view, organizing properties, or writing a formula. Describe your desired outcome, and the AI can walk you through the process in simple terms. If anything is unclear, ask for the explanation to be more detailed or more concise, and it will tailor the response to match your comfort level. And that's really it. Click the icon in the bottom right corner or press Ctrl and J to open the chat, then ask it to search, create, or guide you through what you want to accomplish in Notion. Keep your prompts specific, build on the conversation as you go, and let the assistant handle the heavy lifting so you can stay focused on your work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working faster with Notion AI.